How did we do it? This video shows solutions to the Your Turn exercises on normal order. For the first set, use method 1, the clock face method. The first step is to put all the notes into one octave. We do this on the clock face by circling the pitch class numbers, remembering that C is 0, then moving up by half step from there. We can see our first pitch, F sharp, is 6, the next pitch, E flat, is 3, D is 2, and A flat is 8. Now we've completed the first step. The next step is to find the biggest gap. For this set, it's between 8 and 2, so we cross those numbers out moving clockwise. This completes step 2. The next pitch after that gap moving clockwise will be our starting note in normal order. Our set starts with 2 and moves clockwise to 3, 6, and 8. We write that answer, 2, 3, 6, 8, in the blank and put curly brackets around it to complete the last step. For the second set, use method 2, the staff method. Just as with method 1, we start by putting all the notes into one octave. Doesn't matter which note we start with because we'll repeat the lowest one at the top to make sure we've analyzed all intervals. I chose C simply because it was the first note of the motive. And I used middle C so the notes will fit nicely on the staff. Remember, register doesn't matter in set theory. Of the 3 remaining pitches, the next highest one is D flat, then F, then B flat. And all of those are now in the same octave. We'll repeat the first note at the top to complete the first step. To find the biggest interval, the second step, we first need to analyze all of them. C to D flat is a minor second, D flat to F is a major third, F to B flat is a perfect fourth, and B flat to C is a major second. The biggest interval is the perfect fourth between F and B flat. The note after that biggest gap, B flat, will be the starting note in normal order. We're now finished with step 2. The last step is to begin with that note, B flat, and build up in order from there, C, D flat, and F. Those pitch class numbers are 10, 0, 1, and 5. For a review of pitch class numbers, refer back to that section of this chapter. Put curly brackets around the answer, then we've completed the final step. And that's how we found our answers to the Your Turn problems on normal order, using method 1 for number 1 and method 2 for number 2.